Stop by and take a look at the 2013 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better fuel economy, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, ambient lighting, air conditioning third row independent controls, airbags, front, center. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.